Is your iPhone's Face ID slow to respond? This can happen due to software issues, settings, or even lighting conditions affect the TrueDepth camera. But don't worry, in this guide I'll show you how to fix it and make Face ID work instantly again. Solution 1. Enable Required Attention for Face ID. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Select Face ID and Attention. Turn on Require Attention for Face ID and Attention Aware features. If already enabled, toggle them off and back on again. Solution 2. Reset Face ID. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. Tap Reset Face ID and confirm the reset. Set up Face ID again by following the on-screen prompts. Solution 3. Update iOS to the latest version. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Updates often include fixes for bugs that may cause Face ID delays. Solution 4. Check Background App Refresh and Performance. Open Settings. Scroll down and go to General. Scroll down. Tap Background App Refresh. Turn off Background App Refresh to free up system resources. Restart your iPhone to refresh the system. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. By using these steps, you should be able to fix a Face ID delay and get it working quickly again. If these solutions helped, let me know in the comments, and if you're still facing any issues or have any other questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.